Hi, hello everyone. I am Nasser from U.A.E, an IT and retail company in Dubai. And yes, we do have information system strategic plan in our company in all departments for at least 3 to 5 years plans. In information technology department, there are system strategies for IBM storage and servers to be replaced with flash enterprise and with new generation power storage. For digital, there are technology migrations, e-commerce websites, mobile apps, and digital marketings. In POS, the enhancement of digital currency acceptance, mobile wallets, QR code payments, and redemptions. Then, once deployed, our duties being an IT is to give supports, training, implementation, and maintenance. That's all for now. Thank you very much. Bye-bye and God bless us all. Mabuhay po kayo.